to Chicmas, day 16. I'm with my mom.
Oh no, don't tell me I forgot my mask.
Mom!
No, I have
do you have one?
I have masks here for emergency. How about the blue one from Tita Margie?
Right here.
See? And you... Oh,
goodness. Goodness gracious. Okay, so we are back at the post office again. We have errands to run. Let's mask up and get these errands done today. For our Homegoods, let's find the pink wrapping paper. At least we found pink flamingos. What else? Surfing Santa. This maybe. What else? Flamingos. That's actually cute. Homegoods. I'm telling you, here we go. How much is this? $3.99. Cute. Check out all the wrapping paper. They have a lot. What else? Any other pink ones? Bingo, found my face masks. What are these? Animal print in black. Check out all the pink items for Valentine's Day. So cute. A pink tea kettle. Look at this plate. So pretty. We are at our next destination. Mom, your face mask.
I know. It fell.
We're at our next destination. We are at
Costco.
Costco. It's a day of errands with my mom. And we're both a little bit hungry, but we are gonna pick up. We're picking up dinner tonight. This is a good deal on the T3. At least I think it is. It's $69.99. Ew. These are my favorite socks. Normally get them from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. So it's 8 pairs for $8.99, and they have different colors. Alright, we're grabbing one of these. Coconut shrimp. Some essentials. Bacon. Ooh, that one's cracked. Let's get some eggs. I think these are okay. Nothing's cracked. Alright. Just finished with Costco. We hope you enjoyed our little Costco shop with me. Now, my mom is gonna drop me off at Target while she goes to Smart and Final. So it kind of kills two birds with one stone.
One stone.
Yeah, it saves us time, and then we're gonna go grab dinner. So this bow is the one I have on my pink Christmas tree, and it's this set. So it's a luggage tag and then the bow. So it can also be like a purse accessory, and this is $3. What else do they have here? Cute. We're at Target, by the way. Sparkly things. Oh, it's like a jewelry holder. Okay, thank you. In line now for In-N-Out, which has a very long line because it's dinner time, but that's okay. I think the line should go fairly quickly. Hi.
She's ordering.
Go ahead.
Okay, can I please get a number 1?
Onions?
Yes, with onions, with a chocolate shake,
Okay.
and the fries well done. Protein style burger.
With cheese, no cheese.
With cheese.
Okay.
With onions. Can I make that a combo?
Okay.
With animal style fries well done.
Okay.
And an unsweetened iced tea.
Okay.
Cheeseburger, protein style, no onions, and the fries well done.
Okay.
No drink.
All to go?
Yes.
Perfect. 25.62. Your first window, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think we are now at the 30-minute mark. It's not bad though. Yes, can we please get ketchup, the house sauce, and the pepperoncinis? Thank you.
Right here.
Thank you. Alright. Let's go.
Sure, kaya mo yan.
Yeah. I got it. Time to go home and
Hello.
eat. I think my
Pwede ba
mom...
akong bigyan mo ako ng 3 pieces of rice?
I have to give you hand sanitizer first, Mom. You touched all that stuff. Hold on.
Ay, di na, wag na.
You know,
Never mind. I can wait.
she's like, no. I don't want any hand sanitizer on my hands. I'll wait. Okay, well, we'll be home in a little bit. We have animal style fries, well done. We also have protein style burger with onions. Ooh, I'm ready to eat. And of course you need to have the pepperoncinis with unsweetened iced tea. It is tea with tin. It is the next morning. It's about, what time is it? 6:23. So we slept in a little bit today. Should have been up at 5:30, but it's okay. Last night I fell asleep again. I don't know, I've just been feeling tired at the end of the evening, especially after In-N-Out. I think it was food coma. Trust me, I did not hold back on those well done In-N-Out fries. Showed no mercy. Felt super tired after that, and I was like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna set my alarm at 10:30 because I was just watching or catching up on my YouTube subscriptions, you know, with everybody who's posting Vlogmas vlogs, and then I fell asleep. Let's first start with the English Tea Shop Tea Advent Calendar, day number 16. I can't believe it. We are almost there to Christmas, right? And smells a little bit sweet. Post-party refresh. Damn, I think this is the one I didn't like. Green tea with cinnamon, garcinia, and acai berry. Damn it, why did I have to get this one again? Give it a try. Maybe yesterday was just, was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. I think maybe yesterday was just a bad batch. So let's give it another go. Trader Joe's Advent of the Cocktail Hour Chocolate Truffles. Day number 16 is right up here, day number 16. And what do we have? This one. I don't think we've had this before. Joseph's Gourmet Popcorn Advent Calendar, day number 16. Day number 16, all the way up here. Today's joke of the day. Why didn't anyone laugh at the popcorn jokes? Give up? Because they were too corny. Yes, they are pretty corny, don't you think? And today's popcorn, caramel and Belgian chocolate popcorn. Ooh, okay. While the tea is steeping, wanted to share with you what I ended up picking up at Homegoods. Have like the pops of pink because it's Santa who's even pink. Santa's pink, he's surfing. You have a pink flamingo. Santa's shirt is like different colors of pink. Then you have pink presents on the beach. So it's a mixture of colors, but you have the pops of pink. And it coincides with this wrapping paper that we have been using, right? So it's like matching. And then this is the other one that we got before. So they're all like in the pink family. This time I decided to get 2 rolls just in case. My Juicy Couture face masks. And I absolutely was, am I showing the right way? Yes. So let me show you what they look like. So the red one, my mom said she was gonna take because, I don't know, I'm just not about the red face mask, but the pink, Yes, and then we have the pink and gray. So this one has the snowflakes and this one has the heart-shaped candy canes, which I thought was so cute. These are my favorite face masks, the ones from the Juicy Couture brand. I actually bought a couple of them. When was that? A few months ago. I do wash these by hand, and then of course, just over time, they start to fall apart. So if you ever see these at your local TJ Maxx, Homegoods, Marshalls, highly recommend these, especially from Juicy Couture. Let's go ahead and give Post Party, what was the name of this one? Post Party something, a try. No. Yeah, I don't know. It's just like the combination, the Asahi with everything else. No. Okay, we're skipping out on that. Let's have our chocolate. Liqueur de Café. Very good. And then we have caramel and Belgian chocolate popcorn. I'll just get 2 pieces because I think Jonathan will like this. They're popcorn. It's so good. I don't want to take a sip of this, but I kind of have to. Because it's gonna get... the popcorn's gonna get stuck in my throat. Let's go through comments, and we are gonna go with Sin Joe time. Hi Cindy, I live in Louisiana. We usually go to Raising Cane's or Popeyes. Ooh, thank you so much for sharing, Cindy. And yes, oh my gosh, Raising Cane's. I love me some Raising Cane's, especially because of that Texas toast. Thank you so much for commenting, Cindy. Flowery Licious Resident. Hey, Chickie. You guys are food gastronauts. I just like to see that you go all over the place for food. Anyways, it has been over a year that I've been to Daiso, but whenever I'm there, I enjoy the ceramics they have and junk food, like chocolate covered poke stick and that shrimp crackers. Thank you so much for commenting. Thank you for also recommending I check out their little ceramics area. Briefly passed by it, but I don't really spend that much time in that little section or that aisle, so I will have to check that out next time. They have the best snacks, right? They have so many to choose from. Thank you so much for commenting. I'm gonna go ahead and end Chicmas day 16 here. I hope you enjoyed hanging out today and enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and we will see you in a few hours for Chicmas day 17. Mwah.